Welcome to the next session of science. So, today we are going forward with the chapter number 5, and that is clothes. And we already studied about clothes. Yes, there are two types of fibers. One is natural fibers and second one is synthetic fibers, and we already studied in detail regarding that. Now we are going forward for the next topic, and that is uniforms. Okay, now uniforms, all of you are also wearing uniforms when you are coming to school, right? Why? Let us see. Some professions require special clothes. Uniforms are called a special kind of a clothes. See, just now this is my uniform, right? These special clothes that people wear to work are called uniforms. Doctors and nurses wear white coats, this kind of a. They are not wearing any fashionable and loose clothes or either the tight fitting clothes. They should wear this kind of a white coats. Why? Because this is their uniform and they are comfortable in this particular. They should wear this kind of a coats. Now next thing. Yes, what is it? Fire, exactly. And these are called firefighters. Yes. Can you see what they are going to wear? Yes. This is called a protective gear. Yes. Firefighters must wear his proper tight fitting protective gear. Can you see? It is very tight in fitting and they are having all the equipments with them which is needed to control the fire. He cannot wear loose and fashionable clothes while they are doing his duty. Suppose this is a fire, right? Here you can see that he is a firefighter. He cannot wear a very loose or tight fitting or any other fashionable clothes. This kind of a protective gear they must wear. Why? Because they are working with fire and they have to protect these things. So a special uniform has been given to them that is called protective gear. And here you can see so many equipments also they are having with them, right? Back also, in the front also. So this is their uniforms. Now these are soldiers. Yes, and mostly soldiers are having which color? Yes, green color printed uniform. Soldiers wear clothes made up of very thick material, right? They are not wearing which is made up of very thin material, comfortable clothes. Why? Because they are working very hard, especially some of the times on the borders and in the area of the jungles and all. So their clothes should be very much thick, right? Even they wear green color printed uniforms. Why? Because they can blend with the trees in the jungles and escape from enemies' attention. And that's why these soldiers are wearing green color printed uniforms. Here you can see it's merged with the surroundings. Very easily they can hide themselves inside the jungle. But same color uniform they are wearing when they are in the snow. Suppose their duty is there on the Jammu and Kashmir. Over there everywhere snow is there, right? Like this. So which color they are using? Yes, white color. Why? Because here white color will blend with the snow and they can escape from the enemy's attention. And that's why here they are wearing white color uniform according to the post they got in which border. Understand? So this is about uniforms. Now next thing is taking care of clothes. How we should take care of our clothes? First of all, we should clean and wash clothes very properly, regularly. Whatever the clothes we are wearing regularly, we should give for washing and cleaning. Even with that water and detergent. We can wash the clothes with the hand also, and even if you can use this kind of a washing machine to wash the clothes. But two things are needed, that is water and detergent. Next thing is that taking care of clothes, in that when we are talking about a silk clothes or either the woolen clothes, we need to take special care of this kind of a clothes. Which kind of a care? For that it is used dry cleaning. What is dry cleaning? Yes, name itself it's called dry cleaning. Means we are not using water in that. Then what we are using in that? We are using petrol to dry that clothes, to clean that clothes. Suppose this is a blazer, right? We cannot wash it again and again with water. So for that I need to give this blazer for dry cleaning. And this is how, see here you can see the blazer, right? And so this is how we can take care of the woolen clothes and even the silk clothes we can give for the dry cleaning. Now next thing is that how clothes should be folded. The clothes should be folded properly and stored properly. This is the way. When we are, some of the time we are having habit that when we take out one clothes and we will fold all other clothes. That should not be. We should fold, this is the way, very properly. Even when we are storing the clothes, especially the woolen clothes, right, we are using in winter and after the next winter we are using. We are not using again and again in summer and monsoon season, right. So for that we should keep this kind of a naphthalene balls. Along with that, either we can use this kind of a dried neem leaves and we can keep it with the woolen clothes and we can protect this kind of a clothes from insects. So this much we have studied in this how to take care of the clothes, and the second thing we have studied that about the uniforms. So you just go through these slides and understand these things very properly, and we will meet in the next session of science. Bye bye.